Welcome everyone to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, February 8th, 2023. My name is Robert Roy. Let's go ahead and dive in. So keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along with the various social platforms that we have out there. Keeping up with the latest and greatest. Subscribe on YouTube, ring the bell so you get notified of everything that we put out, which we put videos out every single day here. And make sure you check out the other social platforms. Particularly, make sure you go to our other website called tradinglikeaboss.com. On there, you're going to find all of the free resources that we have. You can register for trading. You can register for Power Hour. Can't get the name out. The Trading Coaches Playbook. We've got a free training that comes up. Actually, the next one, there's one more this week at night called Crushing It with Volatility. So don't miss out on any of the resources that we've got. Check out all of the different sites. All right. With that, let's jump in. So today's economic reports at 9:15, FOMC member Williams speaks. So big report, it's red. Part of that is I think you may see some differences between what's going on in what Powell said yesterday versus what Williams may say today. So there's some concern of is there going to be consistency in there? We'll see. All right, so that's coming out. Then we also have at 1:01 p.m., holy mackerel, bond auction, 10-year bond auction, not a big deal. And then 1:45, Waller speaks, right? Waller can always upset markets. So, again, right on the heels of Powell yesterday. So, from there, let's go ahead and jump in. We've got 5 candidates today. S&P 500 made a miraculous move yesterday, right up into the 41.81. 3 days of the last 4, we've punched into that 41.81 level. We backed off a little bit. We're down slightly today, which actually we should go look at futures first. We're down slightly today. Let's see where we are. So on the ES right now, we're down about 11. On the Dow, we're down 92. The NASDAQ, we're down 4.5. Small move there. RUT, we're down 11. Bitcoin, we're down 40, but we're over 23K again. Big move yesterday on Powell. Ethereum's up 9.5 to about 1685. Gold's up another $11, and crude's up 75 cents. It gets us back over that $77 level yet again. Right, closer to 78 at this point. So back to the S&P 500 now. We punched right into it again. Right, so overall bias is bullish. We will see what the economic reports and the announcements, the meetings from the Fed bring out today, what that ferrets out for us, and we'll go from there. But right now, until we press above and close above that 41.81, I'm very cautious at this point. We've got higher lows, we've got higher highs. Everything is setting up perfectly. We just need to close above that 41.81 retest and bounce, and then we're ready for more bullish directional moves. So very first stock on our list today is Chipotle Mexican Grill, CMG. I love me some Chipotle, and I don't just mean the food, right? I am a big fan of their restaurant, of how they do things, everything. I think they're a good run, well-run business. But yesterday, for the first time since 2019, they missed earnings in a quarter. Higher prices, food, labor, all of that have hurt them. And they are down right now $85 a share. Now you may look at this, oh my goodness, $85. It's a $1,600 stock. Was $1,700 before the down, right? So it's a $1,600 stock. It's at $1,638. So where are we? Well, we're right above this fib line right here. So we're going to look at a bear call spread above $1,737, right? Or an option. Chipotle Mexican Grill is on my power option plays list. It's one that I know, like, and use all the time, so I'm okay with taking directional trades on companies like that. If any of these fit your risk profile and they're ones that you know, then by all means you could add that to that as well. All right, so CVS was also earnings. They're up $1.52 right now. Overall bearish pattern, they're at 87.5. We got above the 86.44. We're still below that 88.11. So I'm okay with a bull put spread below 85. And we're going to do it aggressive. All that means is trade less contracts. ENPH earnings. They're up today, $19.54 on ENPH. What a move, baby. What a move. So if we look at it, they were in a bearish neutral bias as of yesterday's close. Earnings came out. They're sitting at 248 even right now. Where does that put them? We blew away the 232 level. We blew away the 241.94. So we're looking at bull put spread below. We're sitting at 48, 242. Right? Next, Mr. Softy. Now, they're not earnings, but with their chat GBT stake, they're talking about giving the code to other businesses to build their own AI-type products from that. That, I'm sure they're not going to give it out of the goodness of their heart. Hopefully, they're going to lease it to them or license it, which would be massive money for Microsoft and ChatGPT in there. So they are up today, $4.54. They're right now at 272. Great looking chart, 272. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 271. 271, aggressive, right? A little bit close. And then Uber, they had earnings as well, right? And what's going on with Uber? They're up $2.70. There's talks of them being in a much better position, some of the competition out there, being able to weather a storm and so forth. We'll see. But right now, they're sitting at 37.60. If we do the scrunchity scrunch and bring our chart down just a little bit, we need to bring it down a little bit more. 37.60, we're all the way up here. So $37 is here. We're a little bit tight there. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 35. All right, there you have it. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. All right, folks, bye for now.